Wait before you order from Temu. You could be missing out on huge discounts and free gifts. Today, I will show you real working Temu coupon codes for 2026 and secret hacks. If you shop from Temu or are planning your first order, this video will save you a lot of money. I will share the latest working Temu coupon codes for 2026 and how to apply them. I will also share hidden tricks to get the maximum discount, so keep watching. Let's start with the latest Temu promo codes for the USA. Check the video description because I update codes daily. Here is an example code for $100 off bundle for new users. TMU 100. 50% off first order can be applied with code NEW50. 30% off available with code SAVE30. Free shipping and gifts are sometimes auto-applied for a limited time. Codes change frequently, so if one does not work, try another. Most people apply coupons incorrectly, so follow these steps carefully. First, open the Temu app. Add the products you want to your cart. Tap checkout when you're ready to purchase. Find the section labeled Apply Coupon Code during checkout. Enter the coupon code and click Apply to see your discount instantly. Now for secret hacks most users do not know about. Create a new account to unlock the biggest new user discounts. Play Temu games like a spin wheel or fishing game to earn extra coupons. Invite friends through referrals to earn credits and free items. Use the app instead of the website to access exclusive app-only deals. Check flash deals late at night when prices often drop. Avoid common mistakes like using expired codes and skipping bundle offers. Here is a bonus trick. Add items to your cart and do not buy them right away. Temu often sends extra discount notifications to users who leave items in their cart. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment Temu and I will reply with the latest working and daily updates.